Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Trang. I haven't been dead, obviously. I've just been quite lazy to put on makeup and shoot a video. But today we have something really exciting. Recently, as in this week, I went and purchased the Evelyne bag in a size PM. I am very petite. Those of you who already know me know that I am 5'2" on a good day. The reason I haven't purchased the Evelyne before, even though I do like the practicality, is because at 5'2", even on the shortest strap setting, I cannot wear it crossbody. It hits me a little bit too low. For sure, I cannot wear it as a shoulder bag either. It would just be way too long. If you buy the Evelyne PM, GM, TGM, in the 3rd generation, you will get a strap that has 2 components. The first component is a piece of canvas that is non-adjustable. It has the Hermes hot stamp, their logo on it. The second piece is a longer canvas strap that has this D-ring clasp on it that makes it adjustable. As you see, I have it in the shortest adjustment length with the metal piece closest to the leather as I can get it. Even then, you're gonna see how long it is on me at 5'2". Most people like to wear this piece in the front because it's more comfortable for them. As a crossbody, it is a little bit uncomfortable because my hip is here, the top of the bag is here. Then right now it's empty, but if I have something in the bag, it goes down to pretty much my butt. And I can sort of reach the bottom, but it just looks like an old man's ball sack at this point because you're just gonna have this big dangly thing that is not very close to your body because it's much too low. So then when you're walking, it's just like swinging back and forth because it's hanging just way too low. As a shoulder bag, it's even worse. It's even worse because it is just so long that my hand does not even reach the bottom of the bag. If I have a water bottle or something that sinks down there, it's forever lost. Much like any small items, like a lipstick, a pen, you name it, it's gone. You can't reach your wallet, you can't reach your keys. So any small thing, unless it's stacked vertically, it's pretty much a lost cause. That deters people from getting the Evelyne, which is a shame because it's a very practical bag. Recently, I discovered a way to shorten the strap on the Evelyne. There's a lot of videos here on YouTube using a twilly, using additional hardware, but I found a way to do it without costing anything, basically using what you got. Now, if you have an Evelyne TPM, you do need additional hardware, which I'm gonna go over that later in the video about how you can shorten the TPM size, because those are really cute, but it doesn't come with an adjustable strap. We are not in my closet as normal. We are in my son's study room. I needed his play table to show you in detail how we're gonna adjust this strap because his bag is so dark. I thought a light white table would give it a lot of contrast and make it really easy for you guys to see. So without further ado, let's get shortening. Okay, you guys, so here's the bag. I'm going to show you how to take the strap apart so that we can shorten it. When you look at the clasp on the inside, there's this part that you can push in and it will release. So what you do is just push it in and take it out. Voila. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just push it in and take it out. At this point, the bag you will put aside and you're gonna have a very long piece of strap. On this strip, you notice that you'll have the logo, and the strip with this logo is not adjustable. You're gonna have another longer piece of canvas. This guy is adjustable due to this D-ring. What you do next is leave the side with the logo alone. Just put it on your lap and we're gonna work on this guy. Push the canvas up, because we want to make a large opening, like a hole. Now you have enough room so you can pretty much slide this guy in and out, so you can slide him up and out. Once you are at this step, what I want you to do, because now you have this piece that is too long on the bottom, readjust it so that it's easier to work with. Push your canvas up and pull it on this side so that it's shorter and so that you get a really long piece of canvas on the top. Now with this long piece of canvas, you're going to turn it around, and what you want to do is go to the second hole. Take your hand and pinch this canvas right here together. This strap is a strap with the logo right here. You're gonna see the leather piece. Pinch the canvas right here and push it as close to this leather piece as possible until you have that second hole right here, pretty big. Take this loop, go backward and go up. So from the underside, you're gonna go up and pull it through. Okay, now that you've pulled it through, you have 1, 2, 3 piece. You might have to adjust it so it lays flat. I don't know how tall you guys are, so your adjustment is your own preference, but I just adjust it so it, you know, pretty much is even now. So it, you know, it's not so wonky. It's pretty flat here. Now you have 3, 1, 2, 3, and a fourth one. This fourth one goes back into the second hole. So you're gonna, once again, pinch the canvas together, push the leather as close to the canvas as possible. That way this guy can go over and into that hole, like so. And now you're gonna pull it through. Okay. At this time, you should have a very padded shoulder piece consisting of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 piece of canvas. And it should be very short, as you can see. And now you can wear it as a shoulder bag, or you can make it longer by pulling this down. So when you pull this down, you see all this extra bunching. Just pull it out and adjust it until it's even. See, now it's even. Now you have a longer strap. When you do it this way, you don't need to add a twilly, you don't need extra hardware, and you can still make your strap adjustable from crossbody back to shoulder strap, back to crossbody if you want. So now I'm going to show you how it looks on my body and what a great difference that made. As you can see, with this technique, I can shorten the bag enough to wear it as a shoulder bag. And it's at the perfect drop length and height for me to still be able to reach inside the bag. Very nice. Voila! Now I will go ahead and adjust this very easily up a tiny tad. Then we're going to adjust this guy right here, pull it through. All right, and now we turn it into a messenger bag. Now I can comfortably cross-body it. Another benefit to doing this is because you've looped it in 3 times, there's thick padding on your shoulder. So if you're carrying a lot of things, you don't get that digging in. Everything's very padded and comfortable. What do you guys think? And with this little hack and trick, I think more people would enjoy their Evelyne. If you found this video helpful, please thumbs up and also subscribe. Now that we are done addressing the issue with the 3rd generation PM, GM, and TGM, let's address the strap on the TPM and any 1st generation and 2nd generation Evelyne. They do not come with a D-ring. Pretend this is the strap. You get a long piece of canvas with some kind of D-ring with a swivel, English second language. With a swivel clasp at the end like this. You're gonna buy this D-ring off of Amazon. They usually come in a giant packet and no more than $10 will it cost you. There you go. You need 2. You're just gonna put this clasp into the D-ring. Once again, underside first, right through the first hole and pull it through. You're gonna go on the other side, do the same thing, except you're going to go on the second hole from the bottom up. Now you should have 2 D-rings on a piece of canvas, like so. Okay, you are going to take your clasp and you already used up one of the holes, the first hole. Then you're gonna go into the second hole Go up into it. Pull it through. Do the same thing with this guy over here. Use the second hole that you haven't used and pull them through. At this point, what you're gonna have is a piece of canvas where 2 of the canvas is on top. And if you turn it to the other side, you're gonna see 2 of the divider on the bottom. With the divider side facing towards you, you're now gonna take a clasp and you are gonna go not to the D-ring that is closest to you, but to the opposite D-ring. And you're gonna go under that metal divider. Pull it through. And back up. Like so. Now you have a D-ring, another D-ring with this guy underneath. Now you are going to go back to your first D-ring and go up. And then you're going to follow the silk and go down. There you go. So then you're going to end up with basically an adjustable strap that you can either make shorter or longer by adjusting it. See how long my strap is, and now it's gotten shorter. See? And now you can hook it onto one side of your Evelyne and the other side of your Evelyne, and then you can now make the TPM or any Evelyne generations 1 and 2 shorter and adjustable. That's it for this video. I hope you guys found something in this video that was useful for you and that was cost efficient when it comes to shortening your Evelyne strap. If it did help you, please drop me a like or a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.